In this video, I am going to solve one problem under the topic maximum power transfer theorem for the AC network. In the previous video, we have solved for DC network. So here we will solve for AC network. Okay. The question is given in GATE 2017 EE code. It is given for 2 marks. And the question is, in the circuit shown below, the value of capacitor C required for maximum power to be transferred to the load is. So circuit is this one. So given sinusoidal voltage is V of t equal to 10 sin 100t in series with the source impedance, that is equal to RS, source resistance RS equal to 0.5 ohms, and here load consists of 1 inductance and in series with the parallel condition of capacitance and 1 ohms. We have to find the capacitance value of C here. Okay. So see the circuit. The sinusoidal voltage is 10 sin 100t. 10 sin omega t, Vm sin omega t. So here the phase difference phi equal to 0. So from this itself we can find there is no phase difference between the current and voltage, phi equal to 0. So the circuit is resistive. So here phi equal to 0. So there is no phase difference between voltage and current. Therefore the circuit is resistive. Circuit is resistive. If the circuit is resistive means load is also resistive. So load is resistive means its imaginary part will be equal to, so if load is RL plus JXL means that imaginary part will be equal to 0. Okay. So imaginary part of load impedance equal to 0. And real part will become, that should be equal to RS. So here RS value is given as 0.5 ohms. So RL should be equal to, real part of the load impedance will be equal to 0.5 ohms. So this is the condition to find out the capacitance value. So let me find out the capacitance value. First we will find the load impedance and we are equating that real part equal to 0.5 ohms here. So we will find the load impedance here. So to find load impedance. Okay. So here first we will convert this into omega domain. So let me consider L as such and C as such. Okay. So here this will be converted into omega domain, that will become J omega L, and here for the capacitive reactance 1 by J omega C. So here resistance 1 ohms in parallel with C. So that will become 1 into 1 by J omega C by 1 plus 1 by J omega C. Resistance and capacitance are in parallel. So for the parallel equivalent we are writing this in series with the J omega L. Okay. At last we will substitute the values. So this will be simplified as 1 by 1 plus J omega C. So this way J omega C will get cancelled. So 1 by 1 plus J omega C plus J omega L. So after rearranging 1 plus J omega L into 1 plus J omega C into J omega L, so minus plus J square minus omega square LC by 1 plus J omega C. Now multiplying and dividing by conjugate of 1 plus J omega C. So 1 plus J omega L minus omega square LC by 1 plus J omega C into 1 minus J omega C by 1 minus J omega C. So the denominator term will become 1 square plus omega square C square, and here multiplying this 1 minus J omega C plus J omega L plus omega square LC minus omega square LC. So this will get cancelled and here let me separate real part and imaginary part. So real part of this is 1 by 1 plus omega square c square plus j into imaginary part is omega L minus omega C by 1 plus omega square C square. Okay. So, what is the condition? The circuit is resistive, so imaginary part equal to 0. A real part should be equal to 0.5 ohms. So, we can equate that into, so here real part of, imaginary part of this equal to 0. So, let me take only the real part and we can find out the C value. Okay, so here what is the omega? Frequency is given, omega equal to 100. So we can substitute the 100 value and we can find out the C equation, C value. So let me solve the problem. So here the real part of load impedance 1 by 1 plus omega square C square should be equated to 0.5 ohms. So omega square value is 1 by 1 plus 100 square c square equal to 0.5. So after simplification, this will become 1 equal to 0.5 plus 0.5 100 square c square. So c square equal to 1 by 1 minus 0.5 by 0.5 into 100 square. So that is equal to, that will become 10 microfarad. Okay. So C equal to, from this we have found out capacitance value as 10 microfarad. So this is the answer for the given AC network. Okay. Thank you.